Hey folks, Rick from Align. So question, do you ever sit for a few hours or maybe all day, and by the end of the day you feel like, man, I'm just scrunched like this and it's hard for me to get back to vertical, to get straight, upright and extended? I've got an exercise that's gonna help. You're gonna need a chair or something with a platform where the height is about the height of a chair seat. You're going to stand about maybe 18 inches away from the chair, and you're going to put one foot up on it. You're going to keep the bottom foot straight, and you're going to lunge forward, but keeping that back heel down. Don't let it lift. You're going to put your hands on top of the up knee, and then you're going to push your shoulders back over your hips, and you're going to hold for 1 minute, and then you're going to switch and do the other side. Give it a try. Let us know how it goes for you.